Good afternoon, friends. On a somewhat blustery evening, we are headed out to Cave Towers on Mule Canyon, about 1.7 miles round trip to see some ancestral Puebloan ruins. What we're going to see are the remainder of some freestanding towers, and these are the only towers that are still left in the area, is my understanding. Oh, looks like if you've got a high clearance vehicle, you can drive the rest of the way down the road, just about end up here. Maybe. Let's see what we say. Cave Towers Loop Trail. So we came in, gate, you are here. Site, overlook, back up and around. Okay. A few reminders: steer clear of walls, guide children through the sites, no dogs, camp and eat away from the sites, and please don't bust the crust of the cryptobiotic soil, leave all artifacts, enjoy it without ropes. This was a new one for me. No rappelling in or out. Avoid building cairns, stay on designated roads. Visit with respect. Sounds good to me. Now I see where the loop trail starts to come from. Entrance, reference the gate, there it is. Okay, this tells us loop trail goes both ways. Let's go counterclockwise. That feels good to me today. Here's our first tower. It says overlook out this way. Let's check it out. A good view down a canyon. Oh, I can hear water running over here. Heading back up. A little bit of a view from this side. We're now continuing on from that first tower along the loop. Looks like the remains of another tower we're coming up on. Oh, and I can see more. Ruined one close in, another one up there. So here's tower number 2 by my count. Now the loop has brought us back to the gate. Since we're supposed to stay on the trail here, it doesn't look like there's a way to walk out to that other tower that's still standing on the edge. We're back on the trail to the parking lot that I parked at now. There is some slick rock up here, so I'm hoping we can go get another view of that tower I could see from afar. Neat little hike, cool towers to see. We've got one more stop in this video, and I'll see you there. Good morning, friends, from the Butler Wash interpretive site. I did this hike last night after our towers hike, but light was low enough. I wanted to come back and get it today with morning light going into the alcove where the ruins are. Less than a mile round trip, so easy to do again. This is easy off the side of the road and trails in pretty good shape. I'll show you some snippets, but otherwise I will see you up at the viewpoint for the ruins. Well, wasn't that a special and spectacular sight? Imagine living there and having that view down canyon as your daily view, and when it rains, having a waterfall right in front of your place. Seems pretty spectacular to me, given my modern sensibilities. But that, my friends, is the trail. It's about 4/10 of a mile back to the car now. So instead of showing you that, I will sign off. Thank you for joining me for these 2 hikes. Thank you for joining me for all the adventures, and wishing you happy trails until we see each other again. Cheers, friends.